So we have another Sony phone that like just completely leaked. I was a fan of the Xperia 1, the latest Xperia 1, which was the Mark II, right? Am I crazy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was the Xperia 1 too. I love when they put the Mark in there. It feels so special and serious.
Yes.
Mark II. It's like, doesn't Iron Man do that with the Iron Man Mark suits? Anyway, I had a lot of fun with this smartphone. It's unusual in the space at the moment. It's 21:9. It has an incredible camera setup with like a ridiculous cinema mode.
Yeah.
I enjoyed having that phone in my pocket. And the only issue with that phone was the price, right? It's expensive, real flagship territory. It was also a 4K display. A lot going on there. The Xperia 5, on the other hand, is going to be a little bit more affordable, Will. And it's also going to feature a 120 hertz display. So you're going to have a lower resolution display as you would on a more affordable device, but it's at least you're getting a fast refresh at 120. It also is going to have a headphone jack, which is kind of surprising, hanging on to that thing. And, you know, something I figured out shortly after that original Sony video, the Xperia 1 Mark II, Sony's got a fan base. There's a bit of a fan base for these Xperia devices. And so people are pumped up for something that's a little bit more affordable. And what's weird is the thing that leaked was like their entire product video by the looks of it. So they're not even, I don't know if they're trying to hide it or what, but it's looking pretty cool. Very reminiscent of the device that I played with and also reminiscent of the previous Mark I Xperia 5. Apparently, it's going to have a Snapdragon 865, 8 gigs of RAM, micro SD card slot. And it's only going to ditch the 3D time of flight rear camera. It'll be 128 gigs of internal storage, and it'll probably also have 5G connectivity. As far as the Zeiss optics are concerned, you will go from 2x to 3x optical zoom, and the ultra-wide will go from f2.4 to f2.2. If the camera on this thing performs anywhere near what I was getting out of the Xperia 1 and can do it on a budget, this could be an exciting device, as far as I'm concerned.